Hello, this is a sample problem for the Unit 4 test part 2. And one of the questions asks you to factor completely. So let's take a look at what they're requesting. So here's the problem. 4x squared plus 20x plus 24. What they're asking you to do is say, let's take a look at every single term and see if we can pull out a common factor. Is there a common factor in each term? 4x squared, 20x plus 4? Well, yeah, check it out. 4 goes into each one of these. So we can rewrite this as 4 times x squared plus 5x plus 6, right? So now we can factor the square. And what we remember with factoring the square, we need to take a look at the factors of the last term. And we have 1 and 6 and 2 and 3, right? And so we need to figure out how, given that this has to be a plus sign, so we're going to go 4, let's just set it up. And again, you want to turn to page 420 and take a look at the patterns for factoring. And so we need to figure out what the signs are going to be in between them. Well, if they're both plus, right, the only way to get everything plus is to have a plus sign, right? Is everything to be positive. So now we take a look at the factors of 6, and is there any way that when we add these we will get a 5? Well, 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. But bam, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So we know that we're going to use these two factors right here. So it's x plus 2 and x plus 3. And then, you do your check, right? So you do your check and you will say x plus x equals x squared, or x times x, x times 3, positive 3 equals positive 3x, plus 2 or positive 2 times x is plus 2x, plus 2 or positive 2 times a positive 3 is plus 6, and remember that's still all multiplied by 4. Combine like terms, x squared, well, a positive 3x and a positive 2x is plus 5x, and then the 6 is just a 6, right? And then distribute the 4 through everything, and you get 4x squared plus 20x plus 24, because 4 times 4x squared is, times x squared is 4x squared, 4 times 5x is 20x, and 4 times 6 is 24. That's the distributive property. Okay, use this to help you with the unit test part 2.